face currently is a bunch of cream products and a tiny little bit of powder like on the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna quickly refresh with my Sephora Visage Face Coconut Mist. I did my makeup like an hour ago, so I wanted to give it like a nice kind of dewy base to stick onto. But first we are going to go in with the Macaron blush and the blender, and I'm very scared because I haven't used cream blush in a long time. They did have two shades of this. One was like a mint packaging, and I think that was a rose color, but this is O2 and it is the coral. So are we ready for this, guys? This is first touch impression. Bouncy and slightly powdery when I put it on my skin. So do I wet this? So this is a very dense sponge, and as you guys can see, didn't really expand at all. So maybe I was not supposed to wet that, but I'm gonna go in and dab this on my cheeks and then start to blend it out with my fingers, maybe use a brush, maybe use the blender a little. Let's just see how it goes. That is really darn pretty. Thoughts. That went on super easily, blended pretty nicely with my fingers, and I actually really like the sponge because it's just dense enough to the point where it kind of takes away some of the extra product that you don't really need on your cheeks. But I do recommend having like a stippling kind of brush, or what is this called, to just kind of blend things out and blend it in with your foundation after. So far, love it. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and my powder products now. So my bronzer and my highlight. This is the Stellar palette, and then we're gonna go to the lips. Time for lips. We are going in with this gorgeous little lip tint thing right here, the Jelly Flower lip tint, and there's actual flowers in there, guys. Can you see that? This looks like a very pink color, so I don't think I'm gonna line my lips with anything, just so we can see the true pigmentation of this little product and see how it blends out. Initial thoughts on the flower lip tint. 10 out of 10 packaging. Like, are you kidding me? This is something I want to keep forever and just like have it on my vanity. Second, price is a little high because I believe this was $35 and the blush was like around $42. So I feel like you're getting a lot more with the presentation and the packaging of the blush versus this guy, but I still think with the packaging of this too, it kind of makes it worth it. The texture is super smooth and moisturizing, which I find you don't get in a lot of lip tints and stains and stuff like that. Usually they're more drying, but with my cracked lips, this feels like a tinted lip balm more than it does a lip stain, which I'm really enjoying. And this color is actually amazing. It looks like that popsicle look, but just like a super flattering, not too overly pink, kind of purpley, Valentine's-esque kind of color, and I think it's super pretty. I wonder if you could use this on your cheeks as well. So I'm gonna leave you guys for a few hours and come back and we'll check in and see how the face is looking compared to this right now. Oh my gosh, you're blue. Alright guys, so we are back in the bathroom getting ready to take a bath, and I thought I would check in because it's been about 6 hours now. I have eaten macaroni and cheese and some other stuff, can't really remember, probably not the healthiest of things, but as you guys can see, the lips are worn off quite a bit, but they do still have like a very nice stain. They're more pink and more lively than they would be if I wasn't wearing anything, so I do really like the way that the lip thing turned out. I'd rather have it be a bit more moisturizing than drying and have it last a little bit shorter than longer, if that makes sense. And in terms of the blush, I am using less natural light right now, so that's why it might look a little bit harsh. Things might look a little washed out, but every time I look in the mirror, walk past a mirror, I'm like, damn, my cheeks look really fresh and healthy today. Overall, I'm very happy with both the products. I'm excited to see the rest of the launches for this collection. I got mine at Shoppers Drug Mart because it wasn't available yet on Sephora, so make sure you go check it out. Everything will be linked down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah! Ta-ta!